Okay, so obviously if it's a flower bud, when you coat it with a green, you will coat it with a fine brush because it's smaller in size. Okay, and a little bit more blue-green. Okay, then I'll come back with pure white. Okay, so now concentrate the white. Okay, so you can see the flower bud is very fast. Okay, so that's why I say that, like once you know how to do this profile, you can combine them. Okay, so now I look at the time. I got 7 minutes, so I'm gonna go into the stamen. This time here, I will make it go outside of my petal. Okay, so outside my petal, so I'm gonna put it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then they're gonna join it together. So obviously, if I use a little bit more orangey color, it will show up better. Okay. And again, we need a bit of white. We need a lot of these orangey yellow color. Okay, so this is how can be done.